Good morning viewers, how are you? Definitely all of you are fit and healthy, and thank you to subscribe my YouTube channel, and thanks for like my videos. I am Prashant Jain in the series how to solve the question by using the method completing the square method. In the previous video we have discussed how to derive the formula of quadratic equation, and in this video we discuss how to solve a question by using the completing the square method. In the video the problem is x square minus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. Here are the some tips which you must follow before solving the question. The first point is the coefficient of x square, and the coefficient of x square is the number which is with the coefficient with the coefficient of x square, that is 1. Coefficient of x is that is minus 5, and the constant term you will see that positive 6 plus 6. Now what we have to do, there are the some steps which we will discuss. Now first of all, the question is x square minus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. In the first step, check whether the coefficient of x square is 1 or not. In this case the coefficient of x square is 1, so we don't need to divide the coefficient of x with the coefficient of x square. So now just shift the coefficient constant term from left hand side towards the right hand side. It means x square minus 5x is equals to minus 6. You will let it the step number 1 for your remembering. Now x square minus 5x on the left hand side and the minus 6 on the right hand side. In the next part you will see that half bracket square and the coefficient of x, and the coefficient of x is minus 5. The value you obtained, that is 25 upon 2. Just add the value coefficient of x on left hand side as well as on the right hand side. It means it must be whole square. It means the value is 25 upon 4. We add the 25 upon 4 on the left hand side as well as on the right hand side. Just to simplify this, x square minus 5x plus 5 upon 2 whole square, LCM is 4. This is minus 24 plus 25, and the middle term may be written as 2 into x into 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2 whole square is equals to 1 upon 4. Because this is in the term either a plus b ka whole square or a minus b whole square, and you know that the formula of a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is a square minus 2a and b plus b square. It means it will in the form a minus b whole square, so we may write this is a minus b. B is 5 upon 2 and a is x. Whole square is equals to 1 upon 4. Now in the fourth step, x minus 5 upon 2 whole square and right hand side may be written as 1 upon 2 whole square. On taking square root, x minus 5 upon 2 is equals to plus minus 1 upon 2. When we remove the sign of the square from both the sides, on either of the side it will take plus minus, and we will shift now minus 5 by 2 from left hand side towards the right hand side. It means minus 5 by 2 shift from left hand side to here. If minus 5 by 2 shift from left to right, it will change their sign and the sign becomes positive. Now this will split into two parts. First is x minus 5 upon 2 is equals to plus half plus 5 by 2 If this is shift from left to right, so this may cancel, and x equals to plus, we have taken first, and now minus half plus 5 upon 2. Left hand side, 2 is the LCM, 1 plus 5 is 6, and x becomes 3. X equals to 2 is the LCM, minus 1 plus 5 is 4, so x becomes 2. This is the very simple method which I will discuss with you, and in the next video we will discuss a question in which the coefficient of x square is not 1, and how to solve the question we will discuss in the next video. Till then, thank you, bye bye.